Elora, keep moving.
Yeah? I was planning to stop in the middle of the missile attack.
Impact signatures rising. Left side, move!
You always sound this calm when the city's exploding?
Breathe.
I am breathing. Badly, but technically yes.
Your reaction is spiking.
Amazing observation. I almost got vaporized.
Training window open. 1 minute.
Seriously? Now?
Especially now. Stop staring at the meaning you gave this.
There's literally a burning bus in front of me.
That sound means nothing. That image means nothing.
You picked a hell of a time to become philosophical.
No, I picked the perfect time. A distant missile whistle grows louder.
Watch the fear, without following it.
You say that like fear politely waits its turn.
Only if you worship it.
The city has not changed.
Feels pretty changed from where I'm sitting.
Your interpretation is what's shifting.
Still hate that you're making sense right now. I survived 1 minute. Let's not engrave statue.
You stayed present. That was the training. Mission resumed.
Yeah, figured. Fantastic. Can the next enlightenment happen somewhere less explosive?
Unlikely.
To the fog, every bullet writes another line in the story they can't define.